Earlier, I believed it is only through vision board, our journals, or manifestation technique. I never realized it was through our thoughts, word, belief, and every whisper we made out to the universe. Until February 2025, I never even realized how much energy this tiny word what if carries with it. Namaste all, welcome to my channel. I am Shalini, chartered accountant by profession, students mentor by mission, spiritual activator and tarot card reader by divine's purpose, transformation coach by calling. And I'm here to help you awaken the power which is within you, which most of the human beings are unaware about. I'm here to help you reclaim your life back. What if? With these tiny words now, I was telling universe exactly what to give me. I learned universe delivers us everything we ask for, but it's not able to filter out whether that delivery is going to create a positive impact in our life or negative impact. I always felt bad about my life, bad about myself. I felt my place, my home, my school, surrounding is such a difficult place to survive. Every morning I woke up afraid. What if I get a test copy in school and my friends judge me? What if my teacher scolds me or ask any question which I won't be able to answer? What if Papa gets angry over me? These what ifs now was not just coming and going, but I never realized it was living inside me. I was manifesting unconsciously, daily, repeatedly with my what ifs. I never knew that is something I'm creating reality, and it all happened. And then came CA final. With each attempt, the weight of what if I fail, what if people judge me, what if I'm not able to recall whatever I have learned in the exam hall. These all were something I never realized until Feb 2025, how I was programming it into my current existence. I'll share a story with you. It was January 2025. I was watching K-dramas. I used to tell my partner, what if I get my hair short? Seeing all the K-dramas characteristics with short hair, I don't know why I started visualizing myself with those short hair, and I started asking him the same question repeatedly, what if I get it short? And it was 31st January 2025. I walked into one of the salon of Delhi with my friend. I just wanted to get it trimmed, and the artist, without any further explanation, chopped my hairs to a length I could never even imagine. And once he gave the cut, I was really, how could I just manifest this? It was a bulb on moment for me that very moment. I felt like shouting, getting angry, burst at him, but somewhere I knew deep down this is something I manifested. Entire January I kept on telling my partner. That experience took me to all the what ifs I had attached to my life. I used what if for attracting all the negativity in my life. And from that day onwards, I decided to take conscious effort to catch myself with all the negative what if, and I started experimenting with what if. It was one evening, I was just getting ready, and while wearing perfume, I said, thank you universe for having me this perfume. What if I have more of it? Believe me, it was the same evening, like I went to meet my friend and she gifted me a perfume set. I was super overwhelmed how this what if, that was the first experience of the result I got from what if. And this made me believe how rightly I figured out the power of what. Honestly, I have spent years manifesting all the negativity with my what ifs. And if you are the same person now, this is just a universe sign for you. Start using the power of your word, power of your thoughts and energy to manifest abundance into your life. You know what? Our mind is our garden, and every thought, every word is the seed in it. If you are continuously planting seeds of doubt, failure, limitation, please don't be surprised of whatever life is reflecting back to you. Please understand, it's no sort of magic. Everything starts with awareness, it starts with discipline and taking responsibility. Will you still choose to manifest the same what if I fail? What if nothing works out? What if I take a wrong decision? What if I miss out everything? Or you choose to believe with what ifs of creating life. What if everything works out in your favor? What if you succeed beyond your imagination? What if life finally shifts in your favor? What if becoming everything you are meant to be, you are becoming that? Sit with what if everything works out? What if I get that job? What if I am the best version of myself? Believe me, I have lived with this, all the negative experiences. Now, when I'm trying to transform my life, I'm seeing the results. And that is the reason I want to help you in your journey. My experience, my pathway should be a light for you. I have been into a mission serving people, students, and those who are not born with the wheel of fortune. But if you start taking action, keep awareness, show up every day, definitely the wheel of fortune will start activating in your life too. Thank you for trusting me in your journey. Stay connected forever.